Hey everyone, it's Christiane, a Thermomix USA consultant from the Cooking RX, and today I'll be showing you how to make a watermelon ginger splash in the Thermomix. One of our family's favorite fruits of summertime is watermelon, but sometimes you get them too big and have too much. So usually I'll cut this in half and chop it up for breakfast or for snacks and keep that in the refrigerator, and the other half I like to use to make drinks. So one of my favorite drinks is this watermelon ginger splash I'll be showing you today. It has watermelon, ginger. Instead of sugar, I replaced that with honey as well as lime juice, and it is really delicious. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is make my ginger syrup, and while that's cooking in the Thermomix, I'm going to cut up my watermelon. Okay, I've gone ahead and cut up my watermelon, so I'm actually going to cut the rest of the flesh, because it's seedless, directly into the mixing bowl. So we're going to need 35 ounces of fresh watermelon flesh. Okay, it's all done blending, so let's take a look. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and add the ginger syrup that we made earlier. And then our fresh squeezed lime juice. Next we're going to go ahead and add our club soda. Alright, everything's stirred up, so let's take a look. A delicious, fizzy watermelon ginger lime drink. And I'm going to put some mint in for flavor as well. Cheers!